Dear Sierra, you are the love of my life, my best friend, and the most amazing person I've ever met. You are the kindest, sweetest, and the most thoughtful woman a man could ask for, and I'm so lucky to now be calling you my wife. I promise to cherish you every day and can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. That's not bad, eh? Really?
Josh, you are my person, my best friend, and my greatest love. I never imagined being fortunate enough in this lifetime to find a love like ours. One thing I am certain of is that you are my soulmate. I probably shouldn't tell you this because I'll never hear the end of it, but you're the funniest person I know. Together, I know we will build a strong foundation for our children to thrive and where they are so loved. I cannot wait to see what our future holds, and I am so grateful you chose me. I cannot wait to be your wife. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
It's my pleasure to declare you husband and wife. Congratulations.
Thank you.